how to change the header image on your homepage and other pages across the website. Once you've logged into SchoolSpider, you'll see on the right hand side you'll either have the main image manager, or on other pages you may see this as a header manager. They both work in the exact same way. You're going to select choose your image, and then you're going to select up to 8 images. Click open. It's now going to pop up with this box. You can either tick create a single montage from these images, or you can just click here to save the images on their own. It's going to pop up and ask you to drag and drop to position those images. Click save and it will move to the next one. Drag, drop, save. If I just refresh that page now, you'll see the images I uploaded will just scroll. If you do choose the montage image, it will upload just like this.